In this video, we will discuss how to conduct a finger stick to obtain a blood sample. In order to do so, you will need the A1CNow Plus blood collector from the pouch labeled number 1, alcohol wipes, gauze, a lancet, and a bandage. The A1CNow Plus requires 5 microliters of blood. To collect this amount, you'll want to use an appropriately sized lancet. Note, if not using the finger stick method, the venous draw method can also be used in this step. Venous blood should be collected in heparin tubes and mixed well prior to use. To collect the patient blood, you'll want to practice good finger stick technique. To do so, use either the patient's middle or ring finger as the finger stick site. Clean the site thoroughly with an alcohol wipe and dry with gauze prior to sticking with a lancet. Once clean, apply gentle pressure to the patient's finger with a lancet and stick the finger left or right of center. Apply pressure to the finger using the thumbs up technique to create a large drop of blood for collection. Gently touch the tip of the blood collector to the blood drop to fill it. Tilt the blood collector at a low angle, nearly parallel to the ground, for easy collection. Always make sure to verify the blood collector is completely filled. Refer to the overfill and underfill example on screen. Now, fully insert the blood collector into the shaker body. A twisting motion helps to fully seat the collector into the shaker. Before shaking, confirm the blood collector is fully inserted. Once confirmed, shake vigorously back and forth 6 to 8 times. This will mix the blood and the solution within the shaker. You can then place the shaker body on the table standing upright while preparing the cartridge within pouch number 2. Now that you have collected the patient's blood, you are ready to run the test on the analyzer. To begin, tear the foil test cartridge pouch, labeled with a number 2, open at the notches on the side. Do not open the foil pouch until this step. Once the cartridge pouch has been opened, it must be used within 2 minutes. If the foil pouch is damaged prior to use, do not use. Confirm the 2-digit analyzer code on the face of the analyzer matches the code on the cartridge, and then insert the test cartridge into the analyzer by clicking it into place. Set the analyzer down, making sure that it remains stationary and on a flat surface for the remainder of the test. The analyzer will automatically begin over 50 internal quality control checks once the cartridge is inserted. Wait appears on the analyzer screen while these checks are being completed. Next, the analyzer screen will display SMPL. The previously prepared shaker should now be used to dispense the sample into the cartridge. Immediately remove the base from the shaker body. Keep the shaker in a vertical, upright position and push down completely to dispense the sample. Remove the shaker quickly. The analyzer screen will display Run once the contents are dispensed, and a countdown from 5 minutes will commence. The test results will appear at the end of the countdown.